Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup deal spreadsheets with Airtable for real estate investing. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Airtable account and navigate to your dashboard. Create a new base for your real estate deal spreadsheets. Choose a template that suits your investing needs or start from scratch. Name your base appropriately for easy identification. Once inside the base, set up your tables to reflect the different categories of your deals. Create a table for property information including columns for address, price, type, and status. Add a second table for investor contacts, including columns for names, emails, and phone numbers. Link the two tables to connect properties with interested investors. Populate your property information table with current deal data. Ensure all relevant columns are filled for each entry for better tracking. Once your tables are complete, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Locate the Share button and click on it to explore sharing options. Set up sharing permissions to allow collaborators to view or edit as needed. To back up your data, click on the Download button in the same menu. Choose the CSV format for compatibility with other software. Download the file to your local machine or an external drive. Consider scheduling regular backups by using Airtable's automation features. Set up an automation to export the data at specific intervals, like weekly or monthly. Configure the automation to send you an email with the backup file attached. Ensure to regularly check your backups for accuracy and completeness. Utilize Airtable's revision history feature to track changes and restore previous versions if necessary. Always maintain at least 2 backup copies in different locations for added security. By following these steps, you can efficiently back up your deal spreadsheets and streamline your real estate investing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.